Your glance is a melody, but tell me, does it play love, or does it play desire? My youth cannot understand. Let your anklets chime, reveal it. Beloved, when the sun rises, flowers rejoice. And when you daily adorn your hair with blossoms, my lips like butterflies find delight. Longing, will they ever taste the honey of your lips? Woman, your memories are the womb of my present. Let them be born as the child of my future, mingling with my body. Oh,